From the waves of the Indian Ocean to the shores of progress, our maritime legacy has been the heart of India's growth. With every ship that sails, every harbour that thrives, and every seafarer who dreams, we craft a vision of tomorrow which is stronger, sustainable, and global. Under the visionary leadership of Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Maritime India Vision 2030 stands as a beacon of hope, a commitment to empowering our oceans, uplifting our seafarers, and steering India towards unparalleled maritime excellence. In line with Maritime India Vision 2030, DG Shipping proudly launches Sagar Mein Yog, an initiative dedicated to the well-being of our seafarers, numbering around 3 lakhs. As seafarers are also global ambassadors of India, their resilience and spirit will showcase the strength of our nation. With Sagar Mein Yog, we don't just care for our seafarers, we let the world witness the harmony and humanity of India's maritime legacy.
Inspired by the Honourable Prime Minister's Maritime Vision 2030, Sagar Mein Yog addresses the mental, emotional and physical challenges faced by our seafarers. Seafarers are the backbone of India's maritime strength, and their well-being ensures that they sail with pride and represent our nation globally with resilience.
Introducing the Complete Wellness Program to support the holistic well-being of our seafarers. This initiative addresses mental stress, isolation and physical challenges. This program ensures our seafarers sail in harmony, peace and pride as global ambassadors of India. Through Sagar Mein Yog, we focus on physical, spiritual and emotional wellness at every stage, pre-sea, at sea and post-sea. This holistic approach ensures our seafarers remain resilient, balanced and prepared for every journey.
Sagar Mein Yog is a lifeline for our seafarers, guiding them at every stage. Pre-sea, we build mental resilience and equip them for challenges ahead. At sea, mentorship and buddy support ensure they are never alone, growing both professionally and personally. Post-sea, we focus on rejuvenation, body, mind and spirit, ensuring they return stronger and ready. This journey of continuous wellness empowers them to sail with confidence, bringing the spirit of India to the world.
To ensure Sagar Mein Yog is a resounding success, Directorate General of Shipping have formed an expert committee that is rigorously working to fine-tune every aspect of this initiative. Their dedication is setting a global benchmark, positioning India as a leader in prioritizing seafarer well-being.
We are aiming to introduce Sagar Mein Yog in the maritime industry by May 2025. This timeline allows us to thoroughly validate our plans and ensure every detail aligns with the needs of our seafarers. By testing and gathering feedback, we will be doing an ongoing arrangements, making adjustments to the modules, ensuring that the final execution is as effective and impactful as possible. Our commitment is to deliver a program that not only supports seafarers but sets a global standard in maritime wellness.
Once implemented, data from the program will help measure its impact, showing trends like reduced anxiety and better physical health. Over time, this evidence will support refining and expanding the initiative.
Sagar Mein Yog is a groundbreaking initiative dedicated to the well-being of our seafarers. It focuses on their physical, mental and emotional health at every stage, pre-sea, post-sea and at sea. By offering support mentorship, and wellness resources, we are ensuring our seafarers sail with resilience, self-assurance, and a strong sense of unity. We are setting a global benchmark for seafarers' welfare. Jai Hind, Jai Navik.
In November 2025, the achievements of Sagar Mein Yog will be showcased at the IMO Council. This will be a moment to highlight the success of the wellness program and its transformative impact on seafarers' lives. India will urge the global shipping industry to adopt this initiative, setting a worldwide standard for the well-being of seafarers.
The complete wellness program is a testament to our commitment to seafarers' well-being, with Sagar Mein Yog at its heart. This holistic initiative addresses their mental, physical and emotional health at every stage, before, during and after their voyages. By prioritizing their wellness, we are not only enhancing their quality of life, but also setting a global benchmark for maritime care, ensuring that our seafarers are healthier, happier and stronger, both at sea and at home.